Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to save your photos and videos on your phone from your Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now to auto save your Viber photos and videos on your Android device, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And over here guys, after landing on the home page or the home panel of Viber, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the more icon available for us over there. Simply tap on that more icon, and after tapping on the more icon, this kind of panel will appear for your account where you can see the settings icon available for us just above my notes or just below the Daraz app. And with that being said, let's tap on the settings. And over here guys, again you can see the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. Let's tap on that media. And over here guys, you can see all of your media settings where it says on the first it's the photo quality, but on the second one it says save to gallery, and it has a description which says allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery. And if it's turned off, simply turn back it on, and you can see guys, your Viber will start to automatically save your media on your gallery. And that being said guys, you also need to take care of 2 or 3 more options over here, including the auto download media over mobile network or auto download media when connected to Wi-Fi. You can choose both of them or any one of them only. And with that being done, at the bottom side you can see guys, there is the other option where it says autoplay videos with the restricts data usage. If you're automatically saving your media to your gallery from your Viber account or your Viber app, you might want to go through these and check it out so that your data does not get wasted. You can download many of your medias from just Wi-Fi and not your data. And with that being said guys, this is how you auto save your Viber photos and videos on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.